show you how to make slushie today. The things you're going to need are a blender, water, and a full cup of ice, and whatever syrup you choose. First thing you're going to do is take the water and fill up about 8 ounces of water. The next thing you're going to do is choose your flavor you want for the slushie. Today I'm going to do the green apple. You're going to put about 6 pumps. And the last thing you add for a slushie is a full cup of ice. Next step is to put on the lid. Most important. And then instead of pressing number 2, we're going to press the pulse button so that it makes it more into a slushie. The last thing you do is pour it into a cup. Add your lid and your straw, and you're finished. Green apple slushie. Yum.